Hi everyone, I'm from Regrob.com, India's leading tech-enabled real estate brokerage firm, and today we are visiting at Merlin Legacy project. This way leads to top-tier time city. And this way leads to CIT Road, Paddapuku. And here is our project Merlin Legacy. So this is the first tower of the project. Now we are inside the project and you can see the construction work is going in full swing. This project is spread over an area of land 1.1 acres and 70% of area is open. The project consists of 2 towers having up to 12 floors. The total number of apartments in this project are 102. This project contains features such as thermal insulation treatment for the roof, smoke detector with sprinkler system for fire prevention, hot and cold water provision, separate KMC water line for drinking water, and sky terraces. This project offers fully AC automated 3 BHK homes with all the basic and modern amenities. Now we are entering into the model flat of Merlin Legacy. So here we have the spacious living room . And here is the dining area. This is the balcony attached with the living area. Now here we have the kitchen . This is the study room . Now we are moving towards the master bedroom, and this is the attached washroom built with all the ultra-modern utilities. This is the master bedroom . Here we have another bedroom, and as you can see, it is very spacious. And this is the common washroom. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for booking, please call at the given number. Thank you.